morning, grade 5. Our lesson for today is about be verbs and action words. What is a verb? A verb shows actions. An action verb explains what the subject of the sentence is doing or has done. These are example of action verbs: throw, clap, catch, awake, ride, run, sang. Okay, let's try to find out the verb in this example. The dog bark. Look what the subject is doing. Who? The dog. The dog is the subject. And what did the dog do? The dog bark. The verb here is bark, and the subject or doer is dog. Let's practice. The big lion roared loudly. Who? Who roared loudly? The lion. And what did the lion do? Roared. So the subject here is the lion or the doer, and the action word is roared. Let's go now to the be verbs. Be verbs describe states of existence objectively in terms of both when and what. Now, there are three main ways how to use be verbs. Number 1, we can use be verbs as helping verbs to help us understand when the actions happen. Example: she is running now. Present or now. And the other example is she was running before or past tense. We can also use be verbs as linking verbs. This is to link or connect the subject to additional information. Example: I am tired. The linking verb here is am. It connects or link I to additional information, tired. Another example: they are sports fan. The linking verb here is are. They connect are to the subject they to the additional informations, sports fans. We can also use be verbs to construct the passive voice, which is when a sentence subject changes from the agent or the doer of the action to the object, the thing being acted upon. Example: the passive: the ball was thrown by him. And the active voice here is he threw the ball. Here are some of the examples of be verbs. For present tense, we can use am, are, is. Example, I am. You, they are. And he, she, it is. Number 2, for past tense, use was, were. I was, you, they were, he, she, it was. And for past participle, you can use been or I have been. He, she, it has been, or they have been. In the present participle, being, I am being. Thank you for listening, grade 5. See you again. God bless.